I am a little bit tired just because I have just run 15 kilometers today. I'm gonna take some things that I need, and yeah, it's been 15 kilometers. Oh, gracias. I came here to a supermarket in order to get some goods. Well, three things. Wine. Okay, wine is almost a regular buy for me, a regular purchase. I am gonna choose. Okay. This is the one that I usually pick for me. So, and yeah, I was running 15 kilometers. I didn't run yesterday. I just do some cycling. I went to Barranco in order to meet my friend. He wanted to take some wines and talk to me a little bit, just a colloquial thing, nothing serious, but yeah, it was like trying to rest for a while, because during this week I was running a lot. In fact, I lose maybe 2 kilos, and I'm getting closer to my goal. Okay, I know that the wine has some calories, but if we oppose the calories that I actually losing due to the running versus the calories that I will get thanks to the wine and some other goods, it's really nothing. So what else do I need? Okay, I need some tomato sausage. Okay, today is Sunday. There are a lot of people around. People usually pick their goods for the rest of the week. Okay, I will need some tomato sauce, but I have to get. Okay. Okay, that is what I want. That is a tomato sauce. Okay. This is the one that I wanted, because today my lunch for today will be spaghetti, and I will need some sugar. Okay, this is a regular commercial center in Lima, in Chorrillos. I'm gonna choose these shoes. What else do I need? Okay. I have to pick a packet of sugar up. Okay, well, I wanna lift some weights too today. I don't know if I will be able to do that, because there are some other things that I have to do during the afternoon. I have to go to the mass, and then I have to record some audios, gospels that I have to record. Okay, let's go to the sugar. I need a This is a packet of sugar from a factory called Paramonga, where I worked in the past. So I know them very well. It's a good product. Well, so according to the balance, my weight is 84 kilos today. So I lose almost 6 kilos in almost 1 month, which is a lot. Because I thought I wouldn't be able to do that. Okay, my mom wants some chocolate, and I don't know where. Let's see. Part of the baby's clothes section. That's not my section yet. Chocolates. Let's see where the chocolates are. Okay. This is a sweet part of the milky. I have something more less expensive. Maybe one of them. Besos de moza. These ones are good. I like them. Okay. This is jellies. Okay. This is mazamorra morada. That's a typical Peruvian dessert. I don't have a proper translation in English. Okay, that's what I wanna get for today. I just wanted some wine and a juice, sugar, and it's okay. I am trying to avoid sugar. I know I'm gonna get a lot of calories thanks to the wine, but in general I am trying to get rid of sugar because it's not good for my health. But I am not crazy about it. I mean, you can get some sugar too. I'm trying to do it to leave the fats organically, not getting crazy about what I have to take or not. That's not my goal. Okay, I'm leaving the market, the commercial center. I'm gonna get a place where I can rest for a while because the way back home that I usually do is by walking, so, and after running 15 kilometers I'm a little bit tired, but still I can walk. What I really need is water, and I am not drinking a lot of water. According to the meds, I should drink at least 2.5 liters of water. But what I understand nowadays is that you can drink water in different forms. For instance, drinking coffee, drinking a soup or something like that, and it will help you to rehydrate yourself, which is the main goal behind this effort of hydration. You will notice that from time to time I have some problems, like in my English pronunciation, because there are words that I don't usually pronounce. But by doing this kind of content, I think that I can push myself in order to improve my English language skills, which is my goal. So, no, gracias. So this is the idea behind of this. Let me see if I can find a place where I can sit for a while. This is a food court of this commercial center. What caught my attention is that it's almost midday and it's not full, and perhaps this is due to the fact that we are living a sort of economic recession. Okay, I'm gonna rest for a while. Yeah, well, as I mentioned before, today is Sunday, and I already ran 15 kilometers. I tried to do some bars. Still, it's difficult for me to hang myself from the bar. There is a work of muscles you have to improve. I have to improve, and those are muscles that I don't usually work or use in my daily life. And what I will try to do is to accustom my muscles to that kind of effort. That's what I want to do. I am not working in my food, not really. Still, I am eating and drinking almost everything. I'm trying to stop drinking Coca-Cola, but I really like Coca-Cola. And I don't like the kind of Coca-Cola without sugar. That's not the real, it's real flavor. I really prefer Coca-Cola with sugar, natural sugar, which is something that I really like. Okay, this juice has sugar too, and this is juice made of orange, passion fruit, and mango. It's delicious. Okay, so the plan is the following. Today, gonna eat something, some spaghettis. Then I have to record, as I mentioned before, to record the gospel records that I usually make for the people in the church where I usually go. I mean, they don't go to the church. They are friends of a friend of mine who is Catholic priest. And I try to help him in this effort of evangelization. So, well, it's a commitment that I have with him. And then I will go myself to the church later, and I don't know if in the middle I will lift some weights, because I have my weights at home, but I didn't do some weights in 2 days, so I will try to do it in order to complete my exercise. So, it's time to go.